Hidden slice of paradise on Lake Istokpoga, known as one of Florida's best fishing lakes. This home sits 1 acre located on a point at the lake with a canal on the side and lake in the front. You have private boat ramp and 41 feet cement boat dock on the canal. You are the first house to the lake. The home has 2 levels. The main home is upstairs with open concept living, dining and kitchen that open to a 60-foot wide screen porch overlooking the lake. The living room has vaulted ceilings, hardwood floors and a massive 12 feet wide gas fireplace. There are 2 spacious bedrooms and 2 baths upstairs. The kitchen has a gas cooktop and an electric wall oven. There is a bar sitting area between the kitchen and living room. The master bedroom has views of the lake, 2 large walk-in closets and a separate vanity area. The lower level, main level, has a separate, but interior, entrance that has 1 bedroom, living room, family room, bath and kitchen with laundry machines for the house. The living room opens to a 60-foot wide patio overlooking the expansive yard and lake. The living/family room on lower level has a 7 feet wide wood-burning fireplace. The lower kitchen has a gas stove. The home is a well-maintained, low-maintenance home with metal roof, hardy board siding and a whole house generator. An added plus is the tankless gas water heater. The gas appliances and generator are supplied from a buried tank. The house sits on a high lot with beautiful views and peaceful sounds of nature. This can be your private weekend getaway or a fantastic year-round retreat-style home. The house is being sold partially furnished, really most of it, ready for your quick retreat from the city. More photos and 3D virtual tour coming today. Don't miss out on this rare opportunity.